primary piano teaching philosophy is to make my student to play piano musically. These values start with the basic of reading music and understanding how music is being written. Once they learn the basic, they'll be able to pick up any piece of the music and play it. Again, I want to emphasize that there are much more to the music than just learning the note. I encourage my students to listen to the sounds that they are playing and understanding the piece they are learning. So, in order to provide a well-rounded piano instruction, my teaching will cover the note reading, rhythm reading, technique, sight reading, ear training, theory, memorization, ensemble playing, and again, playing musically.